Nino Toys and Stories. Chicky chicky tree tree.
Hello children, Independence Day is approaching and today we'll learn a very unique speech on Independence Day. Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. There is a famous quote, ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. As a child and a student, I will not talk about heavy changes like building infrastructure, eradicating poverty, or fighting terrorism. But as a child, I will talk about the things that I and all of you can do to make a difference. Just like every big journey begins with a single step, every change happens with small things. This is why I do small things to bring about change. I make sure to switch off the lights and fans when not in use. I take bucket bath instead of the shower bath to avoid wastage of water. I also help my mom to collect the RO wastewater for mopping and washing. I can't go around planting trees, so I make sure that I plant saplings in my society with my grandpa's help. I never waste food because a lot of effort and resources go into growing those foods. I have also learned to say a firm no to plastic bags. You all must be wondering, why am I sharing these things with all of you? The reason is very simple. Every great journey begins with a single step. This is why I am taking my single step towards the journey of making this country a great nation. And I urge you that if all of you, my dear schoolmates, took these simple steps in the right direction, you too will help our country in a big way. So, on this Independence Day, let's take an oath to do all these things. Let's be kind and humble towards everyone. Let's treat everyone with love and respect. And let's be good human beings, because good human beings make a great nation. Jai Hind.